How to fix friend request not showing on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix friend request not showing on Snapchat. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to fix friend request not showing on Snapchat, simply go ahead and open up Snapchat first. Then you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can either head over to your profile or the shorter option is to simply tap on the friend plus icon, the add friends option at the top. Once you tap on add friends here, now you can see my received friend request. If you're not getting these, then to fix it, what you want to do is head over to your profile, then tap on the settings with the gear icon at the top right and head over to settings. Scroll down and you want to find the privacy control option. Under it, you'll find the option that says see me in find friends. Tap on it and make sure that it is toggled on. If you're not being able to see any request, it might probably mean that this option is turned off and you are not being suggested in the find friends list, due to which you are not getting any requests at all. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.